Morning from the northern mountains. These terraces have been carved into the landscape over centuries, creating some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever see. And right here in the mud is where it all starts. The water management in these paddies is absolutely crucial for the growth of the rice. This incredible animal is a water buffalo, and it's doing the heavy lifting, preparing the soil for the next planting season here in the paddies. Okay, stepping into the mud. It is thick, but this is how the water buffalo have tilled these fields for centuries. It's incredible to see how this process works, from the moment the soil is turned until we get these perfect little grains of rice.
The small white shoots begin to emerge from the wet rice grains.
Những rễ trắng mỏng manh mọc ra từ những hạt gạo vàng óng đã ngâm nước.
This is how the process begins, scattering these germinated seeds directly into the nutrient-rich mud of the paddy field. I cannot move. I am totally stuck.
We told you it was muddy out here.
This is incredible. What a workout.
Ready for the next one?
Here you go. Plant it right there.
Got it.
And just like that, we press the young seedling deep into the fertile mud, securing its future growth here in the paddy. Look at the taproot on this dandelion. If you don't get the whole thing out like this, it's just going to grow right back. An elegant white stalk is flying slowly over a vast, tall, green rice field. These emerald green fields stretch for miles, providing the primary food source for billions of people around the world. And if we look closely at the middle part of this green rice stalk, we can actually see it beginning to swell. Look at this incredible piece of craftsmanship.
This isn't just a tool, it's a statement, and it could be yours tonight.
We often talk about the harvest, but have you ever seen how rice is actually cut from the stalk? Take a look at this. I can barely stand up straight. This is absolutely brutal.
We prepared the rice, and now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The fragrance is incredible. You can see how soft and fluffy this rice is. Absolutely perfect.